Hello guys, today we'll be discussing about Snapdeal IPO. Snapdeal has recently filed its draft red herring prospectus to initiate the process of IPO. Draft red herring prospectus is nothing but an offer document which is filed by the company explaining to the investors why they should invest in the company along with the financial positions and the risk factors involved in the company. Just to give a brief description about this company, Snapdeal was India's largest e-com platform in terms of revenue for the financial year 2020. It also had 20 crore app installations on Google Play Store, due to which it was one of the top 4 online lifestyle shopping destinations in terms of total app installations in India as of 31st August 2021. Snapdeal also offers a wide selection of merchandise ranging from fashion to home and general merchandise, beauty and personal care, and others. Very briefly, let's look at the offer details of Snapdeal. Snapdeal has requested SEBI to approve its IPO of 1250 crore. In the offer, the company plans to raise the said amount by issuing 30.77 million shares for sale. So guys, the data that you see on the screen is taken from the red herring prospectus. It talks about the reach and scale of the Snapdeal operations. So I have included this slide because I feel it is very important for forming your opinion about the future prospects of the company. So let's focus on some of the important indicators over here. Snapdeal has 40.15 million monthly active users. Snapdeal in quarter 2 of financial year 2022 has delivered net merchandise value of 374 crores. Snapdeal also has a pin code coverage for delivery of 97%. So I think this is a very impressive indicator over here. Snapdeal has also delivered units equal to 8.59 million in quarter 2 of financial year 2022. So these were some of the important statistics which you should keep in mind while forming your investment decisions. Let's move on to the next slide. So guys, this slide talks about sales and delivered units. The table on the right hand side is a compilation of delivered units for 7 quarters beginning from quarter ended March 20 to quarter ended September 21. So you can compare the sales for different quarters over here. You can see this was the lockdown period. Basically this was the lockdown period, and so sales have been very less over here. The recovery actually starts from quarter ended June 21 and quarter ended September 21, where the sales has increased from 4.61 million units to 6.36 million units, then to 8.59 million units. So the total of sales in June and September quarter has been, we can say this has been 6.36 plus 8.59, it comes to around 14.9 million units. So the pie chart, as you can see on the left side of the screen, shows the proportion of 14.9 million units among various lifestyle categories. So over here you can see that fashion accounts of 52.56%, more than half of the sales is attributable to fashion category. Then the remaining is for home and general merchandise, 12.98% for beauty and personal care, and 9.71% for others. So guys, moving on to the next important slide, which is summary of important financial figures. So I'll explain you what this table contains over here. The first row is an extract of the profit or loss account. The second, third, and fourth row is an extract of the cash flow statement. The first column is 6 months ending September 30, 2021, and the second, third, and the fourth column is for the financial year 21, 2020, 2019 respectively. So you can see Snapdeal has been making continuous losses for the past 3 financial years and the current financial year. These three rows, these three rows are the extract of cash flow statement, as I stated before. So over here also, from operating activities, you can see that the cash flow has been negative for the 3 financial years and also negative for the current financial year. From investing activities, the cash flow has been positive for previous 2 financial years, including the current financial years. This is because Snapdeal has sold certain current investment during these 3 financial years. Cash flows from financing activities has also been negative for the three financial years and for the current financial years. Moving on to the next slide. So guys, this slide talks about liabilities and claims. The first thing that we'll be talking about is contingent liabilities. Now first let me explain you what is contingent liabilities. So these are liabilities which are not recorded in the books of the account, but it is disclosed in the notes to account. Why it is not recorded? Because contingent liabilities are those liabilities which are contingent upon happening of certain transactions or events which are not entirely in the control of the enterprise. So even the amount that is to be incurred is uncertain, and whether it will be incurred or not is also uncertain. So because of so much of uncertainty involved, it is not recorded, it is just disclosed in the notes of the account. So Snapdeal has disclosed three contingent liabilities. The first one being the claims which is made by the end customers due to delivery related issues or quality related issues. It is pending before the District Consumer Redressal Forum in India. It is estimated that there are about 229 of such claims pending. The company has estimated a claim of about 2.88 million rupees. Second one being the claim made by Spacewood Furnitures Private Limited. I'm not sure whether Spacewood are the contractors or the customers, but this claim is pending before the arbitrator, and the company estimates a claim of about 66.29 million rupees. The third one, being the most important one, is the tax impact on account of certain disallowances made by the assessing officer for the assessment year 2016-17. The amount which is estimated by the company to be paid in future is 202.35 million rupees. It is also worthy of noting that Snapdeal did not have any borrowings as of September 30, 2021. So this is a positive point. And it is also worthy of noting that Snapdeal had commitments of 6.13 million rupees relating to capital contacts as of September 30, 2021. So I'll just show you an extract of the draft red herring prospectus for litigation and claims. You can get a clear picture of what all litigation and claims are pending by or against the company. So yeah, this is the page. This is page number 22 of the draft red herring prospectus of Snapdeal. This states the litigation and claims which is pending against the company or by the company. So it has three columns as you can see over here. First one is nature of cases, number of cases, then total amount involved in the cases. So over here you will get complete details of the cases that are pending by the company or against the company. The major number of cases which is pending are the taxation cases relating to direct tax and indirect taxes, which uh, which amounts to 25 cases, and even the amount over here is huge, which is 20210.11 million rupees.